Ready to silence the world or let it all in? This is how you control the noise cancelling on your Beats Studio 3. First, locate the power button. It's on the left ear cup, the same one you use to turn the headphones on and off. Now, double press that power button quickly. This toggles between noise cancelling being on and off. You should hear a brief tone indicating the change. Active noise cancelling is on by default, so the first double press will likely disable it. Pay attention to the sound around you. Is it clearer or more muffled? Repeat the double press to turn noise cancelling back on. You'll likely notice the ambient noise fade away, leaving you with just your music or podcast. You can also manage noise cancelling in your device's Bluetooth settings. Connect your Beats Studio 3 to your iPhone or Android device. Tap the icon next to your Beats in the Bluetooth list on iOS, or the settings cog on Android. Here you will see the noise control or similar option. Tap that, and you can select between noise cancellation and off directly from your phone. Some Android phones will have a slightly different interface, but the principle is the same. Look for noise control settings within the Bluetooth connection details. And that's it, easy peasy. Now you're in full control of your Beats Studio 3 noise cancelling. Enjoy!